Each year, Bay East recognizes members who truly stand out. These are professionals who lead with integrity, give back to their communities, and make a real difference in our association. At the 2026 inaugural, we had the opportunity to honor several outstanding members for their achievements in 2025. We're proud to congratulate Realtor of the Year, Louis Haystack; Rookie of the Year, Anthony Jiha; Affiliate of the Year, Trevor Frey; Good Neighbor Award, Glenn Riggs; Outstanding Leader Award, Billabumrad; the John A. Diedrich Award, Joe Annunziato. These award recipients represent the best of Bay East through their professionalism, leadership, and commitment to serving others. On behalf of the association, thank you for raising the bar and for the impact you continue to make in our industry and in our community. Congratulations to all our award winners.